Welcome back to our course, Introduction to Digital Marketing. In this lesson, we will delve into the basic functions and terminology that are essential for a successful digital marketing business. The first key function of a digital marketing business is strategy and planning. This involves setting goals, identifying target audiences, and devising a comprehensive marketing strategy to achieve desired outcomes. Now let's explore the second key function, which is content creation and marketing. This includes creating engaging and relevant content, optimizing it for search engines, and promoting it through various channels. Moving on to the third key function, analytics and reporting. This involves measuring and analyzing data to evaluate the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Next, we have customer relationship management, CRM. This function focuses on building and maintaining strong relationships with customers through effective communication, personalization, and customer support. Let's now explore some essential terminology. First up is SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of optimizing a website and its content to rank higher in search engine results and increase organic traffic. Another important term is PPC, which stands for pay-per-click. It is a model of internet advertising where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked, commonly used in search engine and social media advertising. Next, we have conversion rate. This refers to the percentage of website visitors who take a desired action, such as making a purchase, submitting a form, or signing up for a newsletter. Lastly, let's talk about ROI, which stands for return on investment. It is the measure of the profitability or success of a marketing campaign, indicating the return generated from the money invested.